You smell like a little girl, huh? Look how cute you are. Hi, Suma. Say hi to Daddy, Suma. Are you going to go to the window? Where are you going? Suma's going to go to the window. She likes her window seat. She's going to go watch the garbage man. There she goes. Ah, such a nice little window seat, huh? Huh? Such a nice little window seat. Is that my Suma? Is that my Suma? My Suma smells pretty, doesn't she? Yes, she does. Does my Suma smell pretty? She does smell pretty. Where's Carlo? You guys all tuckered out from running around smelling each other? Look how pretty. Look how white your feet are. Oh, so handsome. You're so handsome.